Well, good morning. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. It's Saturday morning. Nice, cloudy, gloomy day as it has been for God knows how long. We're getting ready to head down to Bernardston, Mass for the Bernardston Engine Tractor Show. So just trying to get ready here. We got everything loaded up last night. Just checking tire pressures in the truck and gonna give it a quick little washing to get the old moss off of it, and we're gonna head on down the road. So come along, let's have fun. Got the white all about ready. Tires are full of air, trailer's hooked up, tires checked on that. We're bringing the old Case L, once again my favorite tractor, and underneath here is 34 Plymouth. So I'm gonna get the old girl fired up in a couple minutes here, after I give it a quick little wash down. Well, we gave the old girl a quick wash, make it look a little bit better going up the road. Ready to head on down the line. Good. Well, we kind of made it down to Swansea, and we're going to get ready to fuel the old girl up. This ought to be fun. Well, that ain't as bad as I thought, but hey, it's the game we play, right? It's still on there. I love the sound of this pipe on this. Go get a coffee, I guess. So we got stuck coming in here already. Well, pretty close to stuck. I managed to feather it out, but pulled off to the side right now so we can figure out what I can do. I was kind of worried this might happen, but at least the sun is coming out. Worst case is I can unload these two girls right here. Feet so we can make it up the hill. Sprinkle going on here, but look at that.
Okay, yeah, that's not much bigger.
Right in the silver can. the sun's kind of peeking through. Well, we're loading up to head on out of here. Just waiting for Brendan to come down. PL loaded up. White over there chugging away. Wait for Brendan to get. And of course, what's an engine show without a purchase? So we got this here big old 8-foot box with a 2-man chainsaw. Yeah, baby. Well, that was the Bernardston show. I didn't get out and about filming things that I wanted to. I was pretty busy all day talking to people, so it kind of slowed me down from checking stuff out. It was a fairly rainy on and off day. Turnout was actually pretty good for foot traffic. Exhibitors was down a little bit, but considering the forecast we had, it wasn't too bad. But anyways, hope you enjoyed what you saw, what we did. Talk to you next time.